Next in Python, we are going to see how to take input of string, static input and user defined input. So here I am taking a variable name to which I am giving value A, B, C within double quotes. Now print name as within double quotes and then comma, and then we can give that variable name. So this is our static input. So name is ABC. Now we'll see user defined input. So here I'm removing this. Name equals to input. Enter your name. This is our message. Print statement will remain as it is. Save it. Now it is asking enter your name. Here I am giving A, S, D, E, F, G. Save it, and it has printed name is A, S, D, F, G. So this way we can take static input and user defined input in Python.